Hello and welcome to TVJ's Final Whistle. I'm Liam Enriquez and here with me is
Giovanni Brady.
And today we will be reviewing the first semi-final of the 2018 FIFA World Cup.
Okay, let's get
So the
into
first
it.
match was France vs Belgium.
First and only match today. It was a good game. We predicted Belgium would win. We both lost together. My friend in losing, come on. Yeah, we both lost together. France won this game 1-0. Samuel Umtiti. By the way, his first name is Samuel Umtiti. That was a question. A lot of persons got it wrong. Samuel Umtiti, yeah. So they lost. Belgium started really good. The first 20 minutes, they were applying a lot of pressure. They got a few chances. Eden Hazard got one really good chance. The back heel, I think it was from Kevin De Bruyne, but he missed. Or he missed the goal completely, so I don't know. But France grew into the game.
Yeah, I mean, I think France created, even though Belgium probably were more attacking, I think France created more chances.
Yeah.
I think for Belgium, Lukaku was pretty much isolated. I think Lukaku, what he was shown for Man United and for Belgium is that he's not a big game man. He might score hat tricks against small teams, but when he comes to play big matches and big teams, he doesn't show up. And he did that at Manchester United. He had a problem. They were saying to sell him because he wasn't scoring.
Yeah, after like half a season. And to think he hasn't scored a goal since the knockout stages began. He's gone goalless in every single game.
And he scored against Panama and Tunisia. He needs to start trying to score against big teams.
He didn't score against England. He didn't score against Japan. He didn't score against Brazil. And today he didn't score against France. So it's an issue for him. But let's give France credit though. I think the first half, after Belgium began the game and they were, at each other, France kind of gradually took control.
Yeah.
It was like a 45-55% game between both teams. But in the second half, France got their goal from a set piece. They took their chance and then they kind of locked up shop.
Yeah, I think Giroud could have got the hat trick. To us. I think, I mean, Mbappe played really good. We saw that. That was a play of the day today. The
back heel that he gave to Giroud.
And I think Giroud could have made it 2-3 love. I think France had much more firepower. They created more chances. Belgium were just kind of giving it to Hazard, making a little dribble, but they weren't really giving it to the Lukakus to get the chance. Maybe there was a couple, but there was not enough chances for Belgium. And I think France's height beat Belgium in the end. Yeah, the height of Umtiti, Pogba, and Giroud.
I think tactically today, Belgium got it a tad bit wrong. He put on Mertens. I don't remember who he put on Mertens for, but he put on Mertens, for Dembele. And Mertens was playing out on the right-hand side and was crossing the balls inside the box. But that's not Mertens' game.
I think he said drifting.
Yeah, that's not his game. His game is not to go to the byline and try to beat players and cross.
And then he subbed on Carrasco.
He's a goal scorer. He put on Carrasco. I think he probably should have put on Carrasco.
And he had like 5 wide men on, and he needs to bring on maybe more.
Yeah, it was a tactical masterclass against Brazil, but today they fell. Yeah, I think Martinez got his subs wrong, in my opinion. I don't know if you agree with that today. I think his subs are just a bit wayward and off.
Yeah, France looked really well, and they will play England or Croatia, which is going down tomorrow at 1 p.m. My prediction for this match is England winning. I am going to say England will win on extra time by a 1-goal advantage. I think this man will score.
Hurricane will score a goal.
The last-minute goal.
Yeah, Hurricane. I think Croatia has it in them to beat England. I think they've turned out to be the dark horse in this tournament. I think the only thing that England might have going for them over Croatia is that England hasn't gone to extra time yet, while Croatia has gone to extra time in about the round of 16.
No, they have gone to extra time.
England have gone to extra time versus Colombia. Yes. England went to the penalty shootout. That's why we have Liam here. England went to the penalty shootout against Colombia, but in the quarterfinals, they didn't go to extra time. Croatia went to extra time in both the round of 16 and the quarterfinals, so they might be a bit more tired than the English.
Yeah, and England don't want to go to penalties. Obviously, Croatia beat Denmark in the round of 16 on penalties and beat, Russia, the host, on penalties, because obviously they have such a good midfield, they have such good penalty and set piece takers. But if I'm looking for this Croatia side, if Rakitic, if the Modric, if the Kovacic, if the Mandzukic, if they can turn up really well and play such a really turn up, because we haven't seen them all really turn up really well. They've had some individual performances. So if they can all turn up, I think they could definitely beat England. But I think England will win.
So I think I want it to go home. That's a hashtag that's trending on Twitter. It's coming home. I want it to go home. That was a joke hashtag at first, but the English team has surprised the English. So I want England to win. But my heart's telling me England, but my brain is telling me Croatia, so I'm going to go with my brain. I think Croatia wins this one, as Liam said. 1-0 after extra time.
No, I said England will win.
Okay, I'm going against Liam. I want Croatia to win this one.
I said 2-1 England.
Okay, you said 2-1? Okay, I'm saying 1-0 Croatia after extra time.
As usual, this has been Television Jamaica's Final Whistle. I'm Liam Enriquez, and here with me is...
Giovanni Brady.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.